Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a jalapeno popper cheese ball. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you're going to need 2 packages of cream cheese softened, so that's 16 ounces total, a half a cup of sour cream, 2 cups of shredded cheese, whatever kind you like. I'm using Colby Jack, but you can use something a little spicier or whatever you want. Then we need 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, a half a teaspoon of chili powder, or more if you want it, like I said, with a little more heat, a half a teaspoon of salt, and then I'm using 4 ounces of the diced jalapeno peppers, or you could dice up your own jalapenos if you would like to. That would be about 2 medium probably. Then you need 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, and then you need 2 of the 2.8 ounce packages of the real bacon bits, or you could use real bacon. That's totally up to you. So we are going to just add everything together to a mixing bowl and stir it together, except for the bacon. Alright, all of my ingredients are nice and combined. So next I just put out some plastic wrap, and I am going to just dump all of this into the middle and then form it into a ball and wrap it in plastic wrap. Alright, my cheese ball is all wrapped up in my plastic wrap, and I just set it in a bowl just so it doesn't go flat in the refrigerator. So now we are going to refrigerate it for at least an hour before we roll it in our bacon. Alright, my cheese ball was in the refrigerator for a couple hours, so I just got it out and poured all of my bacon bits into a bowl and just kind of rolled it and pressed them on as best I could. So we are going to see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. There's nothing wrong. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Bye.